Once upon a time, there was a young man named Jack. Jack was a kind-hearted person, but he had a big problem: self-confidence. It was something he struggled with every day. Jack wanted to do so many things, but fear and self-doubt held him back. Jack's daily struggles. At work, Jack would never raise his hand in meetings. He had great ideas, but was too afraid of what others might think. In social situations, Jack found it hard to talk to new people. He feared judgment and felt like he wasn't good enough to fit in. Trying new things, Jack always thought, what if I fail? The fear of failing stopped him from trying new hobbies or pushing himself, looking in the mirror. Jack would sometimes look at himself and feel like he didn't measure up. His thoughts echoed, I'm not enough. I'll never be as good as others. One day, Jack sat in his room, feeling especially defeated. Jack, thinking to himself, why is everything so hard? Why can't I just believe in myself like others do? The lesson begins. Jack meets his grandfather. Jack's grandfather, a wise man who had lived a full life, noticed Jack's sadness. Grandpa had always been there for him, offering gentle wisdom when Jack needed it most. Grandpa: Jack, what's troubling you today? Jack, sighing: I just don't feel confident. I'm always afraid I'll mess up. It's like everyone else has it together, but not me, Grandpa. Jack, everyone feels like that sometimes. I used to too. But let me tell you something important. That helped me. It's about building confidence, and I can teach you how. Setting small goals. Grandpa, looking at Jack: the first step, Jack, is to set small, achievable goals. Confidence doesn't come from being perfect. It comes from seeing progress, no matter how small. Jack writing small goals like speak up in one meeting this week and talk to one stranger. Grandpa: I used to set huge goals and fail. But once I focused on small, achievable steps, things I knew I could do, my confidence grew. It's like building blocks. Small steps lead to big progress. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable. Jack smiles as he looks at his list of small goals, feeling motivated. Using positive affirmations. Grandpa: next, Jack, you need to change how you talk to yourself. Words matter. Every day, tell yourself positive things. It can feel awkward, but it works. Jack in front of a mirror, nervously saying, I am capable, I am enough, I can do this. Grandpa: I used to doubt myself all the time. But when I began to speak to myself positively, it changed my mindset. Instead of saying, I can't, I started saying, I can. Confidence is not, they will like me. Confidence is, I'll be fine if they don't. Jackie repeats the affirmation, feeling a bit more sure of himself. Self-reflection. Grandpa: every night, take a moment to reflect on your day, Jack. Don't just think about the things you didn't do right. Celebrate your victories, even the small ones. Jack sitting quietly with a journal, writing, today I spoke to a new person. I did my best in the meeting. Grandpa: I used to only focus on my mistakes. But once I started reflecting on the small successes, like having a good conversation or finishing a task, I realized I was making progress. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Jack smiles as he looks at his journal, feeling proud of his small wins. Stepping out of the comfort zone. Grandpa, smiling: Jack, confidence grows when you step outside your comfort zone. You need to take small risks. Don't let fear control you. Jack signing up for a public speaking class even though he's nervous. Grandpa: I remember the first time I did something out of my comfort zone. It was scary, but once I did it, I felt a sense of achievement. The more I tried new things, the more confident I became. Self-confidence is the first requisite to great undertakings. Jack hesitates for a moment, but then pushes forward, stepping out of his comfort zone. Surrounding yourself with positive people. Grandpa: finally, Jack, be careful about the people you surround yourself with. Spend time with those who encourage and uplift you, not those who bring you down. Jack spending time with friends who cheer him on, celebrate his victories, and encourage him to keep going. Grandpa. When I started spending more time with people who believed in me, I felt stronger. They helped me see my potential when I couldn't see it myself. The more you believe in yourself, the less you have to prove. Jack feels supported and empowered by the people around him. Jack's transformation. As Jack followed his grandfather's advice, he started to notice a change. Slowly but surely, he began setting goals, using positive affirmations, reflecting on his progress, stepping out of his comfort zone, and surrounding himself with positive people. Jack confidently leading a meeting, smiling at his success. Jack thinking to himself, "I never thought I could do this, but now I see that I can. I'm proud of who I've become." Why confidence is needed. Grandpa, looking at Jack with wisdom. Jack, confidence isn't just about feeling good about yourself. It's what helps you face life's challenges. Without confidence, we hold back from taking risks, pursuing our dreams, or even standing up for ourselves. Confidence gives you the courage to try new things, to learn from mistakes, and to keep going even when things don't go as planned. Grandpa. You see, Jack, confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about believing in your ability to handle what comes your way. When you trust yourself, you unlock the potential to do things you never thought possible. Confidence is the key to growth and success. Believe in yourself, and you will be unstoppable. Confidence is not, "They will like me." Confidence is, "I'll be fine if they don't." Jack gives a confident presentation, even when not everyone agrees with him. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. Jack feels proud after accomplishing something he once thought was impossible. Self-confidence is the first requisite to great undertakings. Jack takes on a big project knowing he can handle it. The more you believe in yourself, the less you have to prove. Jack walks confidently into a room, smiling and comfortable in his own skin. Jack. Building self-confidence isn't easy, but it's something anyone can do. If I can change, so can you. Start small, believe in yourself, and remember, you're capable of amazing things. You are enough. Believe in yourself.
Thanks for watching Life Lesson in English. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.